What is the nature of love between two human beings? The way I talk about this is in 3 stages, predictably enough. The first stage is the dispelling of projections. It means you remove the veils between the two of you. So love necessarily demands that you reveal yourself. It's in the nature of love to see, to practice honestly, relating and being with each other. And so therefore the first stage is the letting go, the release, if you will, of the veils. Second stage is the development of the heart, the development of real intimacy and being with another, and opening to the presence of being with someone else. And in the third stage of love, it's more impersonal. It's spiritual love, it's closer to our true self. And so the nature of relationship in love with another human being at that point is more like love itself, rather than something that exists in a relationship between the two of you. In fact, we're in love the whole time. We're surrounded by it. So that's the ultimate realization in the third stage of love in its true nature.
Yeah.